How to play classic mode and Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can equip this version. First of all, open the application. So now I'm inside the game. Here, there's a section of play. Simply tap on play. So this is the place where you can find different modes and select them. So here, you'll be able to find different game modes. Here on the left hand side, there's a section of classic mode. Simply tap on classic mode. So this is the classic version where there will be a limited barrier and other players will be added. Here, tap on the power-ups that you want to add and at last tap on let's go. So the game has started. Now you're inside this classic mode and you can start playing the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.